Thanks so much for hanging in there and you made it this far in the free course. I do want to let you know that we have other resources to continue your learning if you are interested. So, the idea with this 14-day series was that you could actually start lending from your savings on your own with the information. Hopefully, it served that purpose for you. If you are just now seeing this and you're like, I don't even know what you're talking about, just check out the beginning of the playlist on YouTube or wherever you're watching this course and just start from the beginning. You can just see from the top, how do I start lending from my savings account? And if you're feeling like, okay, I think I got the savings down, I think I can do my first loan this year, but I actually have much more money that I want to lend with. Maybe you have an old 401k that you want to lend from. Maybe you just want to go a lot deeper. Maybe you're interested in getting to know other private lenders and being a part of a private lending community. All those things we have for you. So you can check out the description for information on all of those different offers and ask me any questions in the comments. Feel free to reach out, respond to me with any questions you may have or anything that you think would be helpful to add. And I'm pretty responsive, so I'll definitely reply to you. And I hope that this was super helpful for you. And if you would like to do more advanced lending strategies, please continue to watch more content and let me know what other questions would help you out.